Welcome. If you're looking to engage your Telegram group members and make decisions together, polls are the perfect tool. With the latest Telegram web update, enabling the ability to send polls in your group is easier than ever, especially if you're an admin. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow sending polls in your Telegram group using Telegram web on your PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll find all your groups listed on the left side. Just click on the group you want to manage. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on it to open the group's profile and settings. Here, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a small pencil or similar symbol. Click on this icon to enter the group's editing mode. In the editing menu, find and select the Permissions section. Permissions lets you control what group members can and can't do. Within Permissions, locate the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand more options. Here's where you'll see the Send Polls setting. If it's not already enabled, simply toggle it on. This allows group members to create and send polls within the chat. Once you've enabled Send Polls, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've just allowed polls in your Telegram group. Now, any member with permission can create polls to gather opinions, plan events, or just have some fun with the community. Polls are a fantastic way to boost interaction and make group decisions transparent and democratic. With this update, managing group permissions on Telegram web is straightforward, giving you full control over your community's engagement tools. Try out the new polls feature today and see how it transforms your group's conversations. If you found this guide helpful, share it with other admins and keep your group lively and interactive. Thanks for tuning in.